So hi guys, good morning, warm welcome to Complete Guide to All, that is CG for All. I am here to discuss one Java interview question, and today question is class class exceptions. So today we will understand what is the class class exception and how can we reply in the interview, as well as in the when we're developing the application, how can we understand the class class exceptions. Okay, so basically exception means we have when we going to become write any code, we will get some exception. So that basically today we are going to discuss about the class class exception. So what is the class class exception? So class class exception is a one type of check type exception, means runtime exceptions. So when we occur in the program, when we try to convert one object class into another object class types. So let us understand with an example. So let us consider what is the meaning. So suppose we have a one object type, we try to convert into other object types. So in the some scenario, we will get the class exceptions. Okay, let us understand with an example. Let us consider we have a learning class. Inside learning class, we have defined one method. We have one constructor and we have a method. And we have one attribute. And in the class of CG for all, we are extending the class, superclass learning. And inside that, we are defining our courses, what we are providing, core Java basic, Java interview questions. And we have again defined the constructor and one method and the main method. Inside the main method, first we are doing what we are doing, we are creating an object for the superclass or subclass. We are created the object of the superclass. Superclass means learning. Superclass means learning. So right side we are creating the object. We are creating the object for the superclass, and then we are creating the object for the subclass. And then after that we are in the superclass object, we are downcast to subclass object. Correct? From the subclass object, we are calling the subclass method. Then no problem in this scenario, no problem at all, because if you are consider superclass, all the variable can be accessible by the subclass. Well, a subclass, if we are defining the extra variable or extra method, that should not be occupied by the superclass. So basically, this is the reason we have got the class successful. Let us consider with a simple real-time example. Let us consider father and son. What you are earning as a son, your father do not complain on that. But what the father's property, you have the claim, right? So suppose father having A, B, C, three item, so you can able to use that, but son having CTE item, we cannot able to use that. So in a some certain scenario, when we are creating the object for the father and we downcasting to the son, and son try and but we are creating the object for the father, that time we try to access the variable of CDE that is not a part of father, that time we are getting the class exception. So the same scenario I am creating with a simple example. What I have did here, we are creating a learning class. Inside the learning class, we are we have let us consider learning class, we are providing the yoga and meditation. When we creating a CG for all, we have some courses defined. Now we are come up with the core Java, basic core Java and Java interview questions. Inside that, when we creating the object for the learning in the means is the object for the super class or subclass. It's a super class object. Then we are creating the object for the subclass object. So subclass object means CG for all have the access for the all the learning classes, because learning in the super class. When we extending any class, it means that all the variable of the super class is available explicitly or implicitly to the subclasses. Correct? So when we referring, so now what we are doing, subclass object we are assigning to superclass object and call this method of display. Correct? So when we are what the method, when we run this program here, we are getting the core Java learning, meaning first we are creating the object of the subclass, that object as printing. Correct? No problem till here. Now next example, next here, what I am doing, we are creating the object of the subclass. Correct? This is the learning, this is the super class object. Correct? Now we are creating the object of the Now we are this object of a superclass. Correct? Superclass object we are downcasting to subclass object. So basically, core Java interview question is not at all the object of the subclass. Is a way only we are downcasting the object. But this variable, this object should not have all the access for the subclass, because we are only downcasted that when we try to access with this variable reference is giving an error. That is called class cast exception in Java language. Let us see. When we run that, is giving Java is class cast exception. So it will clear that. What is the meaning? When we extending any superclass to subclass having all the possibility to access the subclass. When we creating object of the superclass downcast to the subclass, that object of the subclass is not at all we are creating the object for the subclass. We are created the object for the superclass. We are only downcasting, and with that reference we are trying to use the some method. That time we are getting the class cast exception. Hope is very clear. So when we class creating the get the class cast object, when we try to cast the parent class of the child class type, the exception will be thrown. We will clearly understand by our example. Correct? Next thing, when we try to cast an object of a class into another class, that should not extend the other class, or they should not have the in a relationship. Correct? Let us understand with an example. Right? Okay. So I am creating a class. Inside the class, I am creating a simple string, Java interview preparation. So this is a simple string. Now, every class, object class is a super class. So now what I am doing, string we are upgrading to, means assigning to this object. Automatically upgrading means now object is getting the this string thing. Correct? Now, this object is, I am not creating the object of, this is the object is a only reference for object, but that is a object of the string class. Now this object I am downcasting to file. Correct? This file object, now this is basically we are creating the file reference, but basically it is the object of string. Now with this reference we can call the delete, but basically this is not a object, means this file is an string type, so we cannot access the file variables. So this type of scenario also we are getting the class cast exception. Let's run and see that. We are getting the class cast exception of the line number 13. Means here this object that is a type of the string we try to change to the file class. That's why we are getting the class cast exception. Meaning when we try to cast of an object of a class into another class type, that should not extend to other class type. This is not in the relationship. File and string both are not in a relationship. Only the relation between that both are extending the object class. But that rule we are using and making two relation with each other, but they are not in a relation with each other. That's where we are getting the class cast exception. So hope these are the two scenario we are getting the class cast exception. When you try to write your code, please analyze the situation. If you interview, they will ask what is the class cast exception. You can write, you can tell like that class cast exception is a check type exception. When any subtype object we are created with the reference of superclass object, and that time we cannot try, we can try to access, or we should not access the subclass object. That time we get the class cast exception. Second scenario, when the two classes or two object not in a relation, but because of the object class they come in the relation, that time also we try to access of the other class method or downcast the object. That time also we get the class cast exception. So hope is clear. So this is the as per the class cast exception. In the next section, again, I will come up with the other Java interview question. If you have any question with you needs to be explanation, please drop a mail to mention mail ID. If you want any material, video, contact us on provided mail ID. If you have any suggestion, doubt, query, please write in a comment section. and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Hope is clear. Thank you. Bye bye.